brought out a pretty good crowd to the National Mall today. Now get this is interesting right here. The event was put on by the Washington, D.C. Snowball Fight Association. I had no idea there was such an association, but it sounds pretty cool.
I love it.
Yeah, okay. We're not snowball fighting here in the valley. Up in the higher elevations, though, we've been seeing a lot of snow and more rain on the way.
Yes, that's right. We have more rain and snow on the way. In fact, a lot of that snow that fell is just taking forever to melt. I know some lower elevations it's already gone, but if you're higher in elevation, you're still seeing a lot of snow. This is a time-lapse look over the last 30 minutes at Bald Mountain, which is just a little higher up on the ridge. Still lots of snow out there on the ground, and you can see the trees even are still covered in that snow. At the very end of this time-lapse, it gets really pretty because notice the clouds. The sun comes out a little bit, and you can see the sun shining on the trees just slightly there. And look at that nice, beautiful gold. Oh, that is just gorgeous. And, of course, the current temperature is now still pretty cool out there. We're talking low to mid-50s in the valley, 30s in the mountain regions. Tomorrow, going to be about the same, just in the mid to upper 50s for tomorrow. Maybe a quick 60-degree or two in the valley, especially the farther south you go, because you're going to see a little more sunshine farther south towards Sacramento. Mountain regions, though, still going to be cold out there for tomorrow. I am seeing some showers right now right along the coast. You see this kind of stream of showers. That's actually an atmospheric river, a river of moisture in the atmosphere, causing some heavier showers along the coast. Those showers were in Trinity County earlier where a flash flood watch is in effect, but they've kind of moved out of the area as that atmospheric river will continue to move north and into Oregon. And then we're going to see a line of showers approaching us Monday morning. That's going to move inland as we go into the day on Monday, especially in the afternoon and evening. And it's going to cause widespread showers through the valley and the foothill regions. Snow levels are going to be above 4,000 feet. So if you are, say, Butte Meadows, probably going to be right there on the line. That's how high that snow level is going to be. Once we go later in the day on Monday into Tuesday morning, the showers eventually begin to clear to the southeast. But once you go later in the day on Tuesday, we actually see another round of those showers coming through late on Tuesday into Wednesday. So you could even see a few more showers on Wednesday, but the chances on Wednesday are going to be a lot less. Let's go ahead and time it out for you. That system is all coming from this big, massive system out in the Pacific. It's actually going to go into Southern California. So once it gets too far south, that's when our rain chance is going to be destroyed because it goes south of us, and then you have a high pressure system moving in. And that high pressure system is going to leave us dry for the rest of the week and into next weekend. How much rain am I talking, though? Anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. So notice that kind of dry slot kind of in the dry shadow of the mountains right there. So Glenn County, you're going to get the least, barely 1/4 inch. Once you go up into the Sierra foothills, probably going to see about 1 inch of rain, as well as up to Redding. As for snow accumulation, I'm expecting anywhere from a couple inches at 4,500 feet to about 1 to 2 feet above 6,000 feet. That's kind of what I'm looking at for this next system, but overall it's not going to be too much snow for many of our mountain regions, although you still have a lot of snow from that last system. Tomorrow, though, is National Dark Chocolate Day, my favorite day because I love me some dark chocolate. We're talking 57 degrees for lunch tomorrow. Sunrise at 7:19, sun sets at 5:27. As for your 7-day forecast in Chico, got a high of 59 degrees for you for tomorrow. Pretty windy as well, so keep that in mind. Not just rain, the wind is going to be there as well. So if you're maybe carrying an umbrella outside, it might be a little hard to hold that umbrella down. As for Tuesday, we're looking at a 50% chance of showers, and then Wednesday, a slight chance for showers before the sunshine comes out on Thursday and sticks with us as we warm up into next weekend. As for Redding, 51 degrees for tomorrow. Getting a little warmer, though, mid-50s by Wednesday as we dry out, and then we keep the sunshine and dry conditions through next weekend.
Okay, so that's all good news. We need the more rain, and it'll put a dent into that drought situation, all the rain that we've gotten in the past week as well.
Absolutely, but right now we're sitting about 40–50% of average despite all the rain and snow
so we need
that
more
we
of it.
saw. So we need a lot more.
Yep.
We are nowhere near where we should be.
Okay, important question here. Dark chocolate over milk chocolate or vice versa?
Duh. Dark chocolate's amazing.
I totally agree. All right, we're coming right back with more snow next.